For more than 2 decades, it has incorporated advanced technical solutions, ensuring high quality in the process of folding and gluing corrugated and solid cardboard. It has been a model of excellence at Made in Italy for years, symbol of versatility and solidity, pioneer of true innovation. But we want to give you more by creating something that goes beyond. This is not only the future, this is the solution. Welcome to the new frontier of Altair GT. Welcome to the modern age of VEGA solutions. VEGA, connecting needs to solutions.